내게 너란 하나뿐인 twilight. 말론 표현할 수 없지만
He's shirtless. Like, woo!
The Filipino was too stunned to speak.
Just posted a new reel on my IG, go check it out. Green screened myself next to Taeyang, but there's a Jrekml one coming up next. I'm working on that too. It's gonna be special. Follow me on Instagram if you want more videos like that. Or my TikTok, you can follow me there. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna upload to YouTube Shorts. Today on stream, I'm gonna be checking out Got the Beat, Stamp on It music video, which I've been waiting to check out. And so I do want to apologize, sorry about being late on here reactions there, or like not able to like do reactions, because a lot's been happening in my life. I try not to show that side of me, you know, like whether you know, sometimes I do have to take like a mental break at times. But yeah, 2022 was a lot. I'm pretty sure for a lot of other people. I just want to apologize to those who think that like I don't care, but I do care. It's just that I've been going through some things. Yeah. But right now I'm live on Twitch. We're also gonna be checking out Monsta X's Beautiful Liar, which I've been waiting to check out, and a lot more. There's gonna be a lot more. There's gonna be some K-pop TikToks, and yeah, we're just hanging out. Probably gonna play a game afterwards too. But yeah, live on Twitch right now. And yeah, see you guys there. Also, for more exclusive content like interviews or just with my friends or vlogs, go subscribe to Dre Day. I'm probably gonna be trying to upload 2 to 3 times a month, whether it be with like my celebrity friends or just my regular friends or just talking about K-pop, anime, or whatever. It's just another Dre Day, so go subscribe. Oh yeah, just another Dre Day. Go subscribe. Alright, y'all, see you on Twitch. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.